Hello children, let us start with the fourth construction where you are given three sides and included angles. What does it mean? Suppose I draw a rough figure, okay, and I'll write the names like this: W, X, Y, Z. Let us mark given dimensions, whether sides or angles. Okay, they are called as dimensions. So, what is given? X, Y is given. Okay, so I'll just mark it. Y, Z is given. Yes. Z, X is given. X, Y, Y, Z and Z, X. I'm sorry. X, Y, Y, Z and Z, W. Okay, Z, W is given. And these two angles are given. These two angles are called as included angles. Why are they called included angles? Because these two are included in between given sides. This is also included between given sides. Okay. So, these two angles provide you the direction of construction. You should take the segment joining given angles as the base, or you can also say out of the three sides, whichever is the middle side should be taken as the base. That provides you the easier stepwise construction of the quadrilateral. So you are given Y and Z, these two angles. So and moreover segment YZ is also given. Okay, so segment YZ should be drawn first. Segment YZ of 6 centimeters. So let us draw segment YZ of length 6 centimeters. Then you draw the angles given at Y and Z. Measure of angle Y is 75 degrees. So using the protractor and starting with 0 on the side of the quadrilateral. So this is the 0 which lies on the side of the quadrilateral. So from there you will start 75 degrees and draw a ray. This angle is a 75 degree angle. Okay, and the length of this segment is 6 centimeters. So this is used, this angle is used. Also at Z, 80 degree angle. So now keep the protractor like this on point Z and start counting from the 0 which lies on the side of the quadrilateral. Here we started from the right hand side, but in this case the 0 which lies on the side is to the left of Z. So from here you will start counting, okay, and you will go to 80 degree mark and draw a ray like this. Remove the protractor, okay, write 80 degree here. Once you plot these two, once you construct these two angles, the rest is very mechanical. Okay, so this is used, this is used, this is used. Now only two dimensions have to be used. XY is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, out of which you know Y. This is my target point and this is the point from where I have to draw the arc. So I'll take a distance of 5 centimeters in my rounder. Okay, distance of 5 centimeters. Let us say this is 6. So 5 will be 1 centimeter less than that. And from here I draw an arc. This will be point X. This distance is 5 centimeters. So the third vertex of the quadrilateral is also obtained. Okay, now only one vertex is left, that is the W. So this is now used. WZ is there 4.5 centimeters. Okay, take the radius of 4.5 centimeters in the rounder in your compass. Keep the compass on the point which is already there in the figure. Now I want W. In order to get a W, I have to put the rounder on Z. So I'll take the distance of 4.5 centimeters. From here I'll take, this is 5. So 4.5 will be slightly smaller. Let us say that this much. And out of Z and W, W is my target point. So to get this point, I have to use this vertex Z. So from Z, I'll draw an arc of 4.5 centimeters. Wherever it intersects the ray, that point will be your W. Join a W with X and you get quadrilateral W, X, Y, Z. This distance was 4.5 centimeters. Okay. So I am repeating the sequence of construction. You have to take this segment, joining, given angles. These are given angles. So segment joining these two angles is already given. That you should take as the base. So this is your step number 1. Then step number 2 and 3 is draw these two angles. Then step number 4 is this and step number 5 is this. So I have written the sequence here. Follow this. The sequence of data, they may give the angles on top and the sides at the bottom. The method of giving the data will be totally different. But then you have to follow the instructions given. Draw the segment joining given angles. Given angles. That segment. So given angle is Y and Z. So segment YZ, that is this should be taken as the base. Then at Y and Z you draw the angles. Then take the distances which are given, remaining two sides, mark them and you will get the full quadrilateral. Okay. So these are the 4 constructions which are there in our syllabus. We have completed those 4 constructions, but that is not the end of the chapter. In the next lecture, I will send you one flow chart where you can memorize all the properties of all the quadrilaterals. Just one diagram we will draw and there you will understand all the properties of all the quadrilaterals. The shortest method of memorizing the properties of the quadrilaterals. So, thank you for now.